I think this World Cup will very big good start, the good relation between Wales and Japan, which will last longer.
Everyone's kind of converging in Tokyo for this one event, so it was a perfect opportunity to launch Global Welsh. So thank you very much to Visit Wales for allowing us to use this wonderful space in the Dome this evening.
Mae'n dangos bod cerddoriaeth yn cario dim ots beth yw'r iaith, a mae hefyd yn dangos bod storïau da a celf da yn cyffwrdd lle bynnag mae'n cael ei greu a lle bynnag mae'r gynulleidfa. O hwnna'n wirioneddol oedd yn special iawn, iawn, iawn.
It's all about making connections and bridges and working together.
It's amazing to get a chance to just present a sort of work in progress in incredibly nice surroundings with really cool tech. To have an amazing dome set up for us to do it in was just a massive bonus.
Mae pobl Japan â mwy o ddiddordeb na sydd wedi bod erioed yn newylliant Cymru, felly i ni'n lwcus i fod yma ar yr adeg yma yn dangos gwaith o Gymru.
I've only been in Tokyo 2 hours. I've already seen the Welsh flag. I've already seen people wearing the Welsh shirt for the rugby, and to come here, it's great to see us so very visibly on show.
Nes i fynd i weld ambell i ysgol a gweithio efo nhw yn creu cerddoriaeth, sôn am Gymru, sôn am y delyn, ac wrth gwrs cefnogi Cymru.
What a privilege it is to be here in Meiji following the signing of our agreement this morning. We also want to promote friendship at the personal level between people in Conway and here in Meiji.
I heard Shane's coming, and also that my son is half Welsh. He's a Johan, so I-O-A-N, but yeah, we are very happy to have a Welsh name. When Johan grows up, I want Johan to choose whether he plays for Wales or maybe for Japan.
You never know what to expect really with the other side of the world, but the support has been fantastic. Nihon no minasama arigatou gozaimasu. Diolch.